My name is Laura Thompson. I am UNC Charlotte's campus wellness dietitian, and today we're going to bust some food myths with two of our students here, Aisha and Fernando. Are you guys ready to bust some myths?
Yeah.
So myth number one, seed oils are toxic for you. Have you heard that myth before?
Yeah, I've been hearing that a lot lately in like conversations with like canola oil and different kind of like oil in terms of like animal fat as well, of which one's better for you.
I've heard about it like a little bit online on social media.
Okay, so we're going to bust that myth today. So seed oils are not toxic for you. Seed oils are actually high in unsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that help our heart. Whereas other fats like butter and lard are full of saturated fats that can actually over time clog your arteries and cause heart disease. All right, so myth number two. So certain foods like apple cider vinegar actually speed up your metabolism.
Really? I haven't been aware of that one.
No, have you heard of like maybe caffeine or spicy foods speeding up your metabolism?
I've heard about the apple cider vinegar because my mom actually does it.
Okay, so apple
So I
cider.
kind of grew up with it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so apple cider vinegar is a common dietary supplement that is known to, or research has shown that it speeds up your metabolism a tiny bit. But for the most part, there's no dietary supplement or any food that's actually going to magically burn fat or speed up your metabolism. There's a little research that shows that caffeine and spicy foods speed up your metabolism for a short period of time, like a few minutes after consuming it, but otherwise there's no magic food that speeds up your metabolism. So some people will take dietary supplements like apple cider vinegar to speed up their metabolism to help them lose weight. Whereas really it's not going to help them too much. Instead, they should just have a balanced diet and exercise regularly in order to lose weight efficiently.
Okay, cool. I didn't know that.
So have you heard about the myth about carbs making you gain weight or making you fat?
Yeah, I feel like that's kind of like the main thing everyone really points to as like the main thing to watch is your carbs.
So most people think that the carbs out of all their macronutrients are going to make them gain weight? Yeah. So that's a common myth. A lot of people want to avoid bread when they're trying to lose weight, like breads or pasta, but in reality, carbs are not going to make you gain weight. Actually, carbs are really important for us because they break down to glucose, and glucose actually fuels our brain, which is something college students really need. So college students especially shouldn't be avoiding carbs at all. Instead of carbs, saying that carbs make you fat, it's really just going to be having a balanced diet. So having too many calories or an excess amount of any sort of food will make you gain weight, but for the most part, carbs themselves are not going to make you fat.
That's nice to know.
So you can enjoy your bread and your pasta.
Yeah.
So how did the myth get started this way?
So the myth started that carbs make you fat. It really came from a lot of refined carbohydrates. So thinking about your cakes, muffins, Little Debbie snacks, those are carbohydrates. But fruits and vegetables are also carbohydrates. So the myth just kind of started because people were eating a lot of excess prepackaged foods, when in reality, carbs aren't going to make you fat. It's just the type of carbs and avoiding certain types of foods to help avoid that excess weight gain. All right, well, that's a wrap. If you have any more questions or anything else that I can help you myth bust, you can contact me on these QR codes. You can find them throughout campus or in the dining halls.